Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Joy with Shraddha. I hope you are all doing well and having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for being here. Today, I'm sharing a delicious stuffed chilies recipe, and later, we will take you along to a fun-filled rainy day at the fair. So let's get started. I have already washed the chilies thoroughly. Now I am cutting a slit in each chili and carefully removing the stems and seeds. Once they are cleaned, I'll keep them aside while we prepare the delicious stuffing. Let's begin. I have heated a pan and added some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Next, I'm adding finely chopped onions and cooking them until they become soft and lightly golden. Now it's time to add the besan. I have added 2 tablespoons of besan, that is chickpea flour, and I will roast it with the onions until it turns a beautiful golden color and you get that lovely roasted aroma. And now I will add 1.5 tablespoons of roughly crushed peanuts. This is quite optional. They give a wonderful crunch and nutty flavor. And now it's time to add all the masalas. I have added turmeric, salt, chili powder, garam masala, and lots of coriander powder. I will give everything a good mix. And at the end, I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar and lot of lime juice. I will give everything a good mix. Finally, I add freshly chopped cilantro and give everything a good mix. Sweet, tangy, and spicy stuffing for the chilies is ready. And I will let this mixture cool for few minutes. Once it has cooled slightly, I'm gently stuffing each chili with this delicious mixture. As I prepare this dish, I am reminded that cooking isn't just about making food. It's another way of showing love to the people we care about. I'm grateful for the simple everyday moments that bring our family together. Happiness truly lives in the simple routines. Now We have stuffed all the chilies. It's time to shallow fry them. Into the pan, they go with a little oil or butter, and I will shallow fry them slowly until they are golden and slightly crispy from the outside. I will turn the chilies on all the sides until they are golden from all the sides. These stuffed chilies are crunchy on the outside, soft inside, and packed with spicy, tangy, slightly sweet, and nutty flavors. They are absolutely delicious and go perfectly with sabzi roti or even as a starter snack. And after the lunch, it was the time for some family fun. It was a rainy day, but instead of letting the weather stop us, we decided to enjoy every moment. One of the first attractions we watched was the horse competition. The horses had different tasks to complete, and whichever horse finished the course in the shortest time was declared the winner. It was amazing to watch how well trained and focused they were. Watching these beautiful horses reminds me that every journey takes patience, practice, and trust. Progress may not always be fast, but every step forward does matters. But the biggest highlight of the day was definitely the foam fest. There was foam everywhere, and so many children were running, dancing, laughing, and playing. They were having the best time, and so does Riona. Riona was confused at first with phones, but later she enjoyed a lot and she didn't want to leave the home at all. Seeing her enjoy filled my heart with so much happiness. Their happiness is so pure and contagious. It reminds us that joy grows when it's shared. After all that excitement, we visited the animal area where there were some adorable goats. Riona loved watching them and couldn't stop smiling. Nature and animals have such a peaceful presence. Sometimes simply slowing down and observing them quietly is enough to calm a busy mind. Next, we explored the amusement rides. There were so many exciting rides for all ages. It's amazing how children gently push past their fears. A little hesitation today can become confidence tomorrow. Watching them grow is one of life's greatest blessings. Then Riona decided to try this little spinning ride. At first, she looked a little confused and wasn't sure what was happening. But after a few moments, she started enjoying every second. In fact, when the ride ended, she didn't even want to get off. The weather may not have been sunny, but joy doesn't always need sunshine. Sometimes the rain makes the memories even more beautiful. After all that excitement, it was time for a little snack break. We grabbed some delicious spiral potatoes from one of the food trucks. Hot, crispy, and perfectly seasoned. They were the perfect treat on a cool, rainy day. It's often these little breaks that become some of the sweetest memories. And with fresh energy, Riona headed over to play some fun games. I hope this video brought a smile to your face, inspired you to try this delicious stuffed chilies recipe, and reminded you to enjoy life's simple moments, whether it's cooking at home, playing in the rain, or making memories with family. And even on our way back home, Riona was happily jumping into every puddles, getting completely soaked, laughing in the rain and simply enjoying every moment. And with these fun moments, it's time to end this vlog. Thank you so much for spending this beautiful day with us. It truly means so much to me, and helps support my journey. Take care, stay happy, stay grateful, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you, everyone.